Uh, Today we are going to discuss about how to plot a graph using Xrd data, and here we are going to use I'm going to use that two software for plotting the Xrd graph, that is Expert iScore Plus and uh, Origin 8 software. So first you have the data in the format of Xrd data in the format of raw file format. Okay, then that raw file format. Okay, now that raw file opened in Xrd iScore Plus software. Okay, so these data Xrd data, and before going to start the plotting the graph, you have to make some settings here. So go to treatment menu and determine background. You can on determine background. So it comes here subtract and put accept or subtract. Okay, and close that. Then go to same treatment menu and go for search peak. Go for search peak, and you can check it here. Minimum you can make it 0.5 for getting all minimum peak values. You can get it and use search peak and accept also. So now what are the peak values you can possible to get it here? What are the minerals peak values available in the material? Here I'm choosing cement material, so that minerals are lime or whatever that are remaining lot of minerals is there, it's showing now. Okay, then once again go to treatment and strip K alpha. Then go to same treatment menu and make it smooth the graph. This option will be help you to make smoothing the graph. Okay, so now you can go for analysis report. Analysis menu, search and match analysis, and in that search and match executive search and match. So here you can find out restrictions. That means you can use this one for what are the compounds you want to edit. You can give edit restrictions. So here I am choosing cement material, cement one, so that I clicked here cement and hydration products. If it is I'm using ceramic or some other detergent or explosive material, you can make it subfiles. You can make it here. Then go for this one chemistry. You can choose by the periodic table also here. So here this is a periodic table for the elements. You can what element you want for the material or any particular element you require, means you can make it click here calcium. So you can add that one. So green means you are selected and give OK, and it will be selected for the using non-destruction methods. And but here I am choosing only cement and hydrogen products and load here and give search. So now you can get it some anchor datas. Okay, anchor datas and pattern peak list. These are all some peak list. This anchor data is only we require. That is, we are going to plot the graph. That is 2 theta versus intensity. So this is a 2 theta value, and this is the intensities values. So this 2 column is required to plot the Xrd graph. Okay. So now once again I repeat it: search peak, search and match, executive search and match. Okay. So In that chemical compound I chose, in that cement compound, I'm here the calcium carbonate, it's showing CaCO3. But where, which one is here the peak value is CaCO3? We can find out, means you can click here, we can get it that name of the mineral name, calcite, and the calcium carbonate compound name, and what is the reference number. This is the important one, reference number, everything is here. So see that if I click here, and you see that selected pattern, calcium carbonate reference number and peak list value also. Here we are going to see that that a blue color line as well as this orange color one is, which one is coincide both the lines, that is that related to the calcium carbonate one. So first I choose here, you see I'm selecting first three. Yeah, I think first blue line and peak list residue plus peak list line is matching. So I think this is also one of the peak value for the calcium carbonate. So I write it here calcium carbonate. Then I will check it this one. Second blue line also coincide with peak list. That means second line here where this one and two. So this one also calcium carbonate one. So like that you can go for back, like that everywhere you can check it, all this line is coincide or not, how. So this one also coincide. So one two three fourth line is coincide. So where is here one two three four, this peak value also belongs to the calcium carbonate. And see here remaining, these are all not coincide. Okay, so these are all not related to the peak line. Can go back, zoom fully. Okay, now we need anchor data to draw the graph. Okay, we can note down that this value, this peak value is CaCO3. Which one? 29.54. Here in position 2 theta, you can check it here. If I touch the peak value, means here you can find out the reading values. That is, see here, 29.42. So that is theta value and position for CaCO3, calcium carbonate. So you can write it here. This peak value is CaCO3. I explain you how to write it. Okay. So now go for anchor scan data and right click anchor scan data and copy list is here. You can make it copy. Open Excel. Make it here. But we need only the 2 theta and that this one. So remaining you can delete. And now another one software, that is Origin 8 Pro. So here Origin 8 Pro is there. Okay. Now open for new Excel. Okay. Already we have that Excel file. Use Okay, now you are going to draw the Xrd graph. Okay, you can select which one is x-axis. So this is x-axis. I click here and select another column for y-axis and click y here. Then plot. Okay, now graph is showing. So this is your Xrd graph. You can make it here, right click and make it to theta. 2 theta is there. Okay, 2 theta. And here you can make it intensity. Okay, right click this one. One setting is there. Scale. Go to scale. Horizontal. You can click it. You can make it x-axis start with from what and increment 10 or 20 increment like that or whatever that you can decide it. You can vertical it will be from starting from 0. You can make it increment 100 like that, whatever you can make it. Then grid lines is important. Check it, grid lines here, click opposite and put apply, and vertical put up opposite, click and apply. So you can get the graph here square. Okay, then you can write it here name. What is this? Control concrete or whatever that, and you can make it color or size. You can make it changes and right click or double click the graph and you can change the graph color and the pattern also. So like this, and then here make it, click here. This is CaCO3, CaCO3, and double click this one or right click this one, go to properties. So go to properties and make it 90° and it will be turned as so like that. Which this peak is CaCO3, we know that, and you are go to expert, and what is this peak? First peak, this one also CaCO3. So you can in origin you can write it this one here also CaCO3. You can make it here, this one CaCO3. So here properties, go to properties and you can make it this angle should be 90°, and you change that color also. See, it is in 90°. Go to properties and make it a rotation degree as 90 and change as well as whatever you color you need. So like this, all the mineral compounds you can find out, and you can using the expert iScore software you can find out which picture is related to that mineral compound CaCO3 or whatever that is available in your material, and that data, anchor data, you can put it into origin software and you can draw this one. You can make it here also you can make it color, whatever you need you can change it. Like this you can change it. So this is, thank you. This is a small tutorial for how to draw Xrd graphs.